happy Planner Wednesday. This spread is from June the 8th through the 14th. And what I'm going to be doing this week is I'm going to be doing Dollar Tree stickers again and Dollar Tree washi. I found this, today I'm also putting up a Dollar Tree haul in addition to this planner. And I think these stickers are in that haul. If they're not in this haul, they'll be in the one next Wednesday. But I love these. They just look so chalkboard, and I think these llamas are so cute. So I'm going to also use some Dollar Tree washi. I think this is just adorable. And I'm kind of going for like a 60s vibe, 70s vibe. And I found this paper I've had quite a while. I got this at Joann's when it was like 4 for $1, and I got this one the same time. So I'm going to incorporate all this together. I think this is going to be an adorable spread. And then I'm going to be using just one of these Papermate pins, and I think this color goes nicely with all this. So let's go ahead and take my pages out of my planner. I'm glad that you all enjoyed the pineapple theme that I did with Dollar Tree stickers last week. Okay, I want this paper to be the dominant of the spread because I love it. I love this tie-dye, and tie-dye is kind of in right now, so I thought we'd just be very fashion forward. And the 8th, Maggie was officially 5 months old. And then I love this paper as well. It just looks so, I don't know, bubbly, happy, almost like a carnival in a way. But I think it'll work nicely with the spread. Okay, let's go ahead and put our paper down like we want it. I think this is going to be a very fun spread. So cheerful and happy. Okay, let's go ahead and put our paper down. I love that. That is so sweet. Oh, it almost reminds me of candy. I'm a mess. Oh, I love that. Ah, okay. So let's go ahead and put our washi down. Like I said, this is Dollar Tree washi, and I think this gives a wonderful feel for this. And I've said it so many times, I love how Dollar Tree washi tears. Okay, and then I'm just going to go right down through here. It definitely finishes the spread off, I feel. It almost looks like a big watermelon. I don't know. I can't decide. It's so cute. I love this spread, okay? So now let's get our stickers. I tell you, Dollar Tree has been beyond killing it here lately with the stickers and everything else. Okay, this one just says, and some of it is raised and some of it isn't, follow your bliss with a little heart. So I'm going to put that right there. Okay, and let's see, maybe we'll put this llama right here. I love him with these little shades. And then this little llama, maybe we'll put her up here because I think this is the female. And I love this no prob llama. Okay, and maybe we'll put that like that. I love it. And this one just looks like, oh yeah, I'm all that. I know. So maybe we'll put this one right here. And this one is really cute with like life. I could have it right here like it's sticking its head around the corner. Okay. And then this one, Llama Love, okay? Maybe we'll put Llama Love right there. And then we have a little cactus we need to put somewhere. You could put it with your llamas, but I don't think I will. I think I'll put maybe this hello sign with maybe this one. I think that's really cute. Okay, let's just write down a very few things down. Okay, let's put my pages back inside my planner. We will take a look at how this turned out, but I think this is so cute. I love how this turned out. It's such a sweet and fun spread. Very happy looking. But I love it. I love this Dollar Tree washi, and I love the Dollar Tree stickers. You cannot go wrong when you're doing something like that from the Dollar Tree. And then this paper, I think it all works together very nicely to give it the feel that I wanted. So like I said, I already put up a Dollar Tree haul today. So if you haven't seen that, check that out. It went up first before this one. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe and become a member of our family. And when you subscribe, hit that notification bell and set it to all so you won't miss an upload. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. It really helps me out on YouTube. So I will see you on Friday for another Dollar Tree DIY. So until next time, guys, bye.